Assalamualaikum nursery class. Today is time for English lesson and let's talk about a new letter. This is letter A. This is letter A. Okay, this is letter A. It has a short sound. A. Letter A. Letter A. Okay, I am putting it here. Now, what is this? This is elephant. This is elephant and it starts from A. It starts from letter A. Okay. Now I have another animal. Bird. What is this? Okay. This is eagle. This is eagle and it starts from A. It starts from A. Eagle. Now this is your book Smart English for the Movers. Open it, page number 8. What is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. Eagle. Elephant. Ear. Okay, touch your ear. Yes, good. These are eggs. Okay, egg. Egg. Eagle, elephant, egg and ear. Okay, I will relate this lesson by tomorrow. Wish you good luck.